and give you a video of that. This lanai is absolutely huge, very tall ceilings, knockdown texture, floor to ceiling screens. This is a block and stucco home. Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's a special open house video located here in the village of Hawkins in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom designer home that is block and stucco. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello everyone and welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's a special open house video. Here in the village of Hawkins in the Villages, Florida, we do have this 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom designer home that is made of block and stucco. I will first take a panoramic view of the street. That is panning south. And I will turn to my right. That is panning north. The front of this home does face east. This is a special open house video, friends, because this home has never been lived in. This home was built in the year 2021 with the intention of the owner retiring and moving here. That never happened. As you go inside this home, you will see this home looks brand new on the inside. I will start by walking up the driveway. This home has a very good concrete driveway. It has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. Very neutrally colored. Landscaping is in very good condition. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Melissa, with Realty Executives. I will leave her contact information in the description of the video. As I walk up to the front entrance of this home, you can see it is very neutrally decorated. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floors. Very large lanai in the back of the home. I will take you to that area a little bit later. This home has 10-foot ceilings with knockdown texture. Off to the left of the foyer area, you do see a guest quarter. You do see that tile floor continuing into the guest bathroom. You see the wood cabinets with the brushed stainless hardware. Those are quartz countertops there, friends. Very light and bright. This home was built in the year 2021. This guest bathroom has a tub. It also has a tile surround as well, and there is a window in that shower area. Off to the front of the home, you do see the guest bedroom. It has tile floors. This home has a tray ceiling in that guest bedroom. This home has very wide base molding as well. It has raised panel bifold doors on the closet. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate that. Next, I will walk into the living area, and I will take a video of the primary bedroom. Then I will walk out into that lanai area in the backyard. This is your primary bedroom area right here, friends. You do see the tile floors continuing. You do see the tile floor in that bedroom right there. Very high, 10-foot knockdown textured ceilings. Wide base molding, very neutrally colored. This room is located in the back of the home. Into the primary bathroom area, you do see quartz countertops, 2 sinks, very high ceilings, recessed lighting, knockdown texture, brushed stainless hardware. This home shows beautiful. This home has never been lived in. Off to the right, you do see a walk-in closet, tile floors, pocket door on the walk-in closet. This is a very large walk-in closet too. This home is located in the village of Hawkins. Very short golf cart ride to Sawgrass Grove. Here is your shower area. It is a walk-in shower that is tiled. Very large window in that shower. This home is beautiful. This shower does have a seat in it as well. You do have a commode space. That commode space has a sliding pocket door, very wide base molding. Here's another look at your primary bathroom cabinetry. Next I will walk out into the lanai. It is a very large lanai. And then I will walk to the back of the home and give you a video of that. This lanai is absolutely huge. Very tall ceilings, knockdown texture. Floor to ceiling screens. This is a block and stucco home. This lanai is very large. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate that. That is your view. You do have a pond or retention pond view on this home. I will take a walk back there and show you what that view looks like. This is nice. This is facing west. Let's take a walk to the back of the home and show you what this yard looks like. It is a very large yard. You do have plenty of room in this yard to put a swimming pool in. You do notice that both your neighbors on either side of this home do have swimming pools. This is your retention pond. This is facing west. That is your home right there, friends. Built in 2021, never lived in, here in the village of Hawkins. And the list price is $789,000. That is your landscaping in the back of the lanai. Let's go in and take a look at the rest of this home. I will walk into the kitchen next, so I'll show you that. I will video the specification sheet. That is your kitchen area there. It does have an island. Those are quartz countertops, 10-foot ceilings, recessed lighting, natural gas stove. Those cabinets are extra tall cabinets. This home shows very well. Here is the specification sheet. If you have any questions, please contact either your showing agent, Kim, or your listing agent, Melissa. This is located at 5610 Hawkins Drive. List price, $789,000. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. There are your room dimensions. Here's the rest of your specification sheet. Next, I will walk into the laundry area and the garage area, and then I will look at the rest of the home, the guest area as well. You do have a tile backsplash in this kitchen area as well. There's a better look at your island. Very large, 1-bowl sink. Appears to be a stainless sink. Natural gas stove. This is your dining area here. Tile floors are continuing. Transom windows in that dining area. This home is awesome. I will walk out into that laundry area next. Here's your laundry area. It does have a small office space as well. Knockdown texture ceilings. That is your laundry. You do see the tile floors continuing. Your sink. You do have cabinets above the washer and dryer. You do have a window in here as well. This is your office space here. You have cabinets there. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I believe this is going to be a pantry door. That is your pantry right there. Large pantry. Next I will walk out into the garage. Very large garage. Concrete floors. Wide base molding. It is a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. Block and stucco home. Built in 2021. Never lived in. Behind those doors there will be your mechanicals, your HVAC. Wow, this is a brand new home. Thanks for joining. Thanks for liking my videos. I do appreciate it. Next I will walk out into the guest bedroom area, which is right off the dining room. That is a guest bathroom. You do see the tile floors continuing through this home. Raised panel doors, quartz countertop, wood cabinets, brushed stainless hardware. This home, you have nothing to do to it. Just move in ready. That is your shower. It is a tile shower area with a swinging glass door. That is your shower right there. Tile, it does have a seat in it. There's your tile floor. Very nice. I will walk into a guest bedroom. This is a guest bedroom located in the back of the home. Tile floors, very tall ceilings, knockdown texture. Large windows as well. This bedroom does have raised panel bifold doors. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. Next I will walk back out of the home into the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home and the street. Very nice. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. As always, friends, please contact either the showing agent, Kim, or the listing agent, Melissa, if you have any questions about this home. Let's walk into the street. I'll show you one last view of this home. We are in the village of Hawkins. Very quiet neighborhood. That is panning right as you exit the home. That is panning left. I will take one last view of this home from the street. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. That is your home, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. List price, $789,000. Located here in the village of Hawkins. Built in 2021. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Hawkins in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom block and stucco designer home. List price for $789,000.